it's our last full day here in Sapa. Alas 9 na. So, balak talaga namin mag-wrong, ano nga yun, babe? Wrong May Glass Bridge. Kaya lang foggy. So, pag pumunta kami, hindi masyadong maganda yung view. Walang pa drone shot. So, ngayon, pag-ano na lang kami. Ano nga yun, babe? Swing Sapa, tsaka Moana. Ano lang natin?
Piling ko kung malapit.
Hindi ba malayo sa dalawa?
Moana
So, yung pupuntahan namin.
Moana maayo eh.
Talaga ba? Oh, Moana daw muna kami, tapos Swing Sapa. We're now at Moana Cafe. Kano yung ticket, Daddy?
90 baht isa.
So, 90 baht ang isa. Ay, nice. Nice ang view. Really nice in here, guys, and nakikisama yung weather, so it's really good. Nakikita talaga yung view dun sa may baba. Perfect. Kahapon medyo mailan yung gala natin, pero today is really good, so nice siya. Na-enjoy ko mag-photo. Na-enjoy ko mag-picture. Okay guys, now we're at the swing and try nilang dalawa. Sige.
Wow.
Sang side? Dito sa gilid, oh.
Dito, may ano naman eh, may protection.
Wait lang. Let me hold your hand, Baba.
So babe,
We're done taking photos and videos. Hindi pa namin natapos lahat, guys, pero grabe, satisfying. Pero now, nag-aambon na, guys. So we have to drink coffee na. Pero thankful kami kasi binigyan kami ng chance mag-photo lang maayos. Ang dami din namin picture, no, babe?
dami.
Sobrang dami namin picture and videos.
Recommended to.
Hindi basta-basta. Yeah. Can you show them Juna?
Hello, Gina.
What is Juna, boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl, I thought it's a boy.
Yes.
It is.
Okay.
Where did you get Juna? Ating ba yung nakastand? Or no? No, it's not ours, no.
Okay.
Okay, let's go have coffee first. And then we're gonna go and take photo once the weather gets better, love. Sure. Natapos na kami, guys, mag-picture and hanap na kami ng spot for coffee. There, oh. Walang takip. Walang, it's raining eh. How about you?
Balik ko na yan.
Guys, chilling lang kami dito ni Matman. And si Daddy siya, maglalakad-lakad, mag-video. Kami chilling muna kasi si Matt pagod na. Ayan lang muna namin manood siya ng mga video. And currently, right now guys, grabe yung fog. So grabe talaga si Lord sa atin, guys. Kasi lagi tayong binibigyan ng chance makapag-picture na maganda, maayos yung weather. Now, okay naman yung weather, hindi naman umuulan, pero it's so foggy. Diba? So, grabe yung foggy. So, ayan na si Daddy. Alis mo na si Daddy. Yan. Kasi magbe-video muna siya. Say bye, babe.
Hello.
Magbe-video siya. Basta kami guys sa may Moana. So, we're heading to Swing Sapa para mag-slide.
What is step out? What's this chopping
Ah,
up?
may temple nga doon.
Temple is.
Alright. So,
Tayo duman kanina.
hindi. So, dito na kami guys sa may swing. Wala masyadong tao.
Mommy,
Yes?
it's like a Buddha.
Yes, wala masyadong tao.
Like a Buddha. It's like a Buddha.
Yes. Dito ba yun? Tama ba tayo? Okay. Let's go in. Hello. Dito na kami swing sa apa guys. Pagbayad nyo, ang adult, kung slide lang yung gusto nyo, 120,000. But if yung gusto nyo is may e-bike, 150,000. Pero hindi ko mahanap kung saan ang toilet. I need to use the toilet but can't find it. Parang kami lang ang tao dito ngayon. Guys, parang kami pa lang. Baka magdadatingan pa yung mga tao. I can't see it.
Can't touch my mom 난 무대 위에 성켜 chains on my mom That's all I own 끝난 줄 알아서 나는 재미없는 걸 제일 못해요 왜 You cannot be focused 내 앞에서만 만들어 처음에는 나 그냥 러빙처럼 I'm running 넌 내가 뜨면 너네 처음부터 ominous Guess I'm a liar 바리바리 시대에서 on fire 말 못하는 애들 전부 fire 없잖아 busy so fucking tired Oh 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 I'm making some new shit 알아봐 부시 이게 진짜 never knew me 나 진짜 되겠어 wanna be all of my bro 내가 만들어 비는 it Wow how I do From around all my city I'm funky Arnold gun but chitty Bang 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 like a big bang feel like I'm jitty Yeah yeah I cannot wait 이제 올라갈 거야 난 저 위에 할 거면 제대로 해 이제 길에서 들릴 걸내 노래 Every top rappers tell me I'm ooh yeah 이제 난 18 근데 벌써 이 배만 ooh yeah I'm on the track feel like nobody I need someone in the beef in the marbling I don't go back so I guess a Bugatti You know what I do you're the 여기서 party ooh yeah 실이 아닌데 나는 한국에서 맨샤 ooh yeah 노래하다 쉽게 가묻혔어 지금
Na kami doon sa my slide. So we're gonna have lunch here at White Cloud Coffee and Restaurant. Kung naalala niyo, sabi ko dun sa kabilang side hindi ko pa napupunta. So ito na yun guys. Grabe yung view. Napakaganda. So dito tayo kain. Let's eat here. Look at that view guys. Ito kami maglalan.
Sidan lang.
Mommy, Mama,
Yes?
what is Mama?
You like that one?
Spaghetti.
For drinks, babe, gusto ko ng I'll share with Matmat orange juice. Ay, may smoothie sila. Avocado na lang pala, babe. Avocado smoothie. And then
Beef fried rice.
I'm just a little
Okay po. We will buy fried egg for ito na lang, babe, sa kanya, babe. 2 fried eggs, pork sausage, bacon, glutamate. Ito sa kanya.
Mama, what is?
Egg po. We're gonna order that one. And then may wine sila, babe. Gusto mo mag-wine? guys. It's our last night here in Sapa. And we're going to withdraw some money. Then we're gonna have dinner. Dito ako nagpa-ayos kanina ng hair. And very nice. So, mag-withdraw muna kami. Mag-withdraw kami doon sa malayo kasi nag-try ako mag-withdraw dito sa malapit kanina and the thing is there's no sufficient balance daw. Hindi ko alam kung ATM ni Daddy o yung yung walang sufficient balance yung ATM. Pero feeling ko yung ATM machine kasi ang daming nagwi-withdraw doon. So, change of plan guys. We decided to withdraw here again. Tatry ulit namin dito sa ATM na to. If insufficient funds pa rin siya, ibig sabihin yung ATM machine talaga. Kasi may pera naman yung account na yun ni Daddy, yung card na yun. So, done guys. We're successful. We were able to withdraw. Tapos kami mga picture nakapamili na din kami na mga snacks para sa amin, hindi para sa ibang tao, para sa amin. Tapos nga, oh, Jonah, get Jonah. Ngayon ay uuwi na kami.
Put Jonah here,
Put Jonah inside the plastic.
Yan.
Uuwi na kami, tapos kakain pala muna, tapos uuwi. Tapos, so kasi siguro babe, okay na naman yung mga picture chinet ko. Picture sana kami ulit dito, pero wag na. Kasi okay na din naman yung picture. So, uwi na lang tayo. No, I mean, go to the restaurant. Juna is getting better. You tell them, what's happening with Juna?
Better.
Juna is better now.
You
Okay.
wear it.
Dito kami guys sa Cozy Restaurant. This is just
What Mama doing?
making Juna better. This is just in front of our hotel. So, napakalapit.
Mommy, show Mama.
Awesome.
What Mama doing?
Kissing Juna. Kiss one more time. Alright. Juna's better. Did you order plain rice?
I know, and free. And food come with rice.
Oh, okay.
Sisig and
Pineapple.